Here on day 2, we are taking the concepts and the principles we learned yesterday and we are applying them. Now, those kind of look like 2 different things. One of those might be getting back in front of the camera to really focusing on ways that we can introduce ourselves in terms of our prospects, the value we deliver. The other way we do that is meeting with actual builders, talking about their actual problems. So this isn't role-playing. We are talking to real builders who have come here to share what's going on in their lives and are discussing real problems that they're trying to solve and real challenges. They are looking for insights. So we're taking what we learned yesterday and immediately applying today and getting feedback. That's the goal. That's what makes it exciting. That's what makes it relevant and hopefully really useful. And this group has been really dialed in. And for us, we really think it's about the sales management, the focus and attention and expectations that leaders set on what has to happen when we make this investment to send people out for training. And it's very much appreciated, and I think it makes the overall event so much better.